All right, let's go, class.
Yes.
Hey, that was kind of weak. Come on, come on. Where are you on that one? Where are you on that one? Oh, okay, okay. All right, let's try this again. All right, you ready? All right. Class.
Yes.
Dude, stop. Yes, she has good skin, but I'm not gonna wear it like a suit. Okay.
Yo, that I had nothing to do with that. You said you were gonna wear it. That has nothing to do with me. I did not imply that whatsoever.
Oh, okay. All right, so you guys all have the unit circle out, right? So we're going to go through and find each function value. So one way of doing this is plugging in the calculator or doing my math on it, but now we want to find the value. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to find 2 pi over 3. Put your finger on it. Hey, take your finger out your nose and put it on 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3. Finger on 2 pi over 3.
I found it. It's at 100.
Hey, look, it's right there. It's at 2 pi over 3.
Yeah, 100.
It's at 2 pi over 3.
Yeah.
Because it is measured by radian, so it's at 2 pi over 3.
Yeah.
So as soon as you start thinking in radians, your life will be a whole lot easier. Because that pi would be all the way over, right? Pi would be equivalent to 180. So if you start thinking, oh, 2 pi over 3, that's not all the way to pi, that's less than pi, so you could actually think of it like that. Okay, so tangent. What does tangent represent? What is tangent? Look in the upper right-hand corner of your unit circle now.
That was y over x.
That's y over x, isn't it?
Yes.
So do we have a y value?
Probably.
Take your finger out your nose and put it on 2 pi over 3.
It's on 2 pi over 3.
Put it, slide it to the edge of the circle. Slide to the edge of the circle. Okay, those are in alphabetical order. So what is the x value there?
This one and this one.
Yeah, it's almost like I have it right here. Okay, cosine and sine. Okay, so, hey, look, okay. So, x value, y value. Alphabetical order. So what do you think the y value is on this one? Very good. Square root of 3 over 2. What is my x value? Negative 1/2. Jess, right?
I think so. Yeah, down below, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. So, do I have a fraction or a fraction?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom. So, I'm going to clean this up by hand. So, it's 2, I'm sorry. It is going to be rad 3 over 2 times the reciprocal of the bottom. What does reciprocal mean? Flip it over, right? Flip it over. So, now it's negative 1 over 2 here. So, over here, it's going to become a negative 2 over 1. There we go. What do you think is going to happen to those 2's?
So are they gonna cancel out?
Very good. Cancel it out. Bam, bam. So, I have a positive rad 3
Positive 1.
times a negative 1.
So it would be
Negative rad 3 over 1. So my answer just comes out to be negative rad 3, doesn't it?
yeah.
Is that, hopefully it's not too hard, right? It's some fractions. Fractions are your friends. You guys had some fractions a long time ago. Okay, back in middle school, elementary. Okay, you guys should have learned those. No? Possibly. Okay. Now, sine. Now, again, take your finger out your nose and put it on 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2. Everyone's finger is on 3 pi over 2. I'm looking around, and your finger is on 3 pi over 2. There it is. Go all the way down, okay, to the edge of the circle at 3 pi over 2. Now, we have x's and y's. Abraham, your finger is not on your paper. Okay, take your finger out your nose, scroll, and now all the way down. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down to the edge of the circle. Edge of the circle. Okay, so it's asking for sine. Sine is which value? The y value, because I'm asking you. What is the y value from the edge of the circle? -1. Is that easy now? Hello. What is this? Oh. Oh, I was getting excited. I thought it was like that. Remember that book order form that Scholastic used to give out? You're like, you. Okay, now this is garbage. Anyway. Anyway. Yay! All right. Now, this next one here, negative angles. Negative angles. Do we have negative angles on that unit circle?
No.
No, we do not. So, isn't negative angles going backwards? Okay. So, I want you guys to do something. Where's the thing here? So, negative angles are going backwards. So, that's negative what? 4 pi over 3? Is that what it was? Negative 4 pi over 3? So, we're always going to start right here. We're always starting right there. So, let's first go 4 pi over 3. So, I'm going to count over positive 4 pi over 3, okay? This is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's count. Count every step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many steps did I go in the positive direction? 11. So if it's negative, I need to go the other direction. How many steps? Say 11. Okay, because positive 4 pi over 3 is 11 steps, isn't it? So negative 4 pi over 3 should be 11 going the other way. Let's go. So negative is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is negative 4 pi over 3. This is the easiest way to do these problems. There's other ways. Okay? And by the time you guys are ready to take the quiz and fill in all these answers, by that time you will already have all this down. Yes, there is going to be a quiz. It might happen next week. It might happen on a Monday. It might happen on a Tuesday. It might happen on a Friday. It might. But you're going to go and fill in all these values for the angles and the x and y values. So this last one is asking for, so this location is what we're looking for right here. So cosine is which value? Cosine is which value? Very good. Cosine is the x value. So now, what was the x value at that location? -1/2. Is that easy?
Yes.
Okay. I gave you a giant unit circle because I'm expecting you guys to study. I'm expecting you guys to do well on this quiz, and I expect you guys to know all this stuff. Is that the last of our notes? Yes, it is. So, I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Okay, support my channel. Buy stuff from my merch store.